If you hear scratching in your walls at night, this video's for you.
Come on through.
Ready to rock and roll?
Yeah.
Get these rats out of your house?
Oh yes, I hope so. So this area here, we've been hitting the wall. That's how this these nails are showing because after so much smacking.
When was the last time you guys heard?
Oh, sorry.
This morning, should I say?
Okay.
And it was scratching around this area, and it was scratching a little louder than usual. We heard some like squealing. Me, I thought maybe could I put some traps up there? I've gone up there, and I didn't see any droppings. I put two glue traps.
So are you for sure they're rats, or you guys just don't know yet?
I'm sure they're rats. As you can see, they've been attacking my tree.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah. I just took down one of their nests the other day.
Oh really?
They had a nest up here.
No way.
Yeah.
Is it gonna be the sewer rat or the roof rat? Here's the crawl space that's underneath that bedroom. It's like a jungle in there.
What am I doing wrong here, Jim?
You're just a little weak today. I think your arms have...
A little weak today?
Did you take your protein, your creatine?
Oh, I didn't take my protein today.
You gotta go home. You're gonna be worthless today. Oh, actually, wait a minute. Dang.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that. Oh, look at that. Now we can see. Look at, he's been watching our videos. He's coated it, wire meshed it. Capped pipe. Those wire meshed?
Yeah.
Here. Yeah. Yep, that's good. Okay, nothing obvious on this roof. He's excluded all the vent caps. He doesn't have a lot of roof overlaps, which is good. It's the first thing we look at. So when we get on the roof, we look at the vents, we look at the attic gables, we look at any roof overlaps. I think it could be the sewer rat, but we don't know yet. We just don't know. All right, we're gonna head up in the attic. So that's the area that they're hearing. We're gonna have to get way over there, inspect. All right, we're heading in that direction right now while the guys are injecting the smoke. We have smoke? I'm not seeing any signs of scratching. No signs of any tracks. Right here, you guys, there's something going on. There's smoke. There's smoke coming out right here, look at that. And it's very close to where they're hearing the scratching. All right, there's something going on here. Shut the smoke off. Enrique, go into the bedroom. I'm gonna tap on where I'm getting the smoke, kind of get an idea of where we're at. Copy? All right, so this was a new addition. I have no idea what the previous layout was as far as plumbing, but it appears that they've just cut a pipe and left it in the wall and then added the addition. So now we're gonna have to go down below and expose that area. Let's head there now. Where did you hear me knock?
You're right here, Jim.
Okay, okay.
You want to open up here?
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, open up a nice square here first. Let's see what there, and we'll reintroduce the smoke.
Okay.
Good news, bad news.
Okay.
The good news is, the reason why you have it trapped in the attic is because they're self-contained inside this wall. There's no openings to go from where they're entering up into the attic.
That's what we're thinking.
That's the good news.
Yeah.
The bad news is, in a sense, that we've got something going on in here that we can't get to from the attic. So we have no choice but to open up this, make a small incision right here, do another smoke test, and then we may have to open up to the left, to the right, but that's gonna be the first step. But we're definitely onto something.
Okay.
You have masks?
All right, so the guys are set to go to open up.
It's right there. Can you just bring it?
All right, so we're gonna cover the bed and get it prepped to open up these walls. Let's see if we can do it in one slice here. Let's see how strong it is. Ooh, oh no. Wow, we're about to open up this wall. We Keep it in the right spot. You go turn the smoke on, you guys. Pipe's not there.
The flashlight? Let's open up this wall.
Oh, hold on, let's just wait. You heard something?
Yes.
I'm gonna drink smoke now.
I hear squeaking.
Yeah, did you hear that?
Yeah.
Oh, they're moving the rats then.
Oh, I hear it.
Okay, tell them to shut the smoke off.
Shut the smoke off, please.
Yeah, we're on to something. We just need to figure out where the pipe is.
It's convenient we open up this wall.
Tell them to turn the smoke back on now. All right, so we're gonna run a camera inside this void here and see what we have in that wall cavity.
Alright, reintroducing the smoke.
Come on, baby. Come on.
Try to go higher, Jim?
Oh, here we go.
Let's...
See the amount of smoke inside that wall cavity. All right, so now I got to get in the crawl space and see if there's a pipe that's going up that wall cavity before we open up any more. So I got to get into this dirty crawl space. Here we go. It's a dirty one, boys. Spider web. Hey guys, go knock on where we were opening up, where the floor is. Yeah, I can hear him. Okay, turn the smoke back on. I want to see if we get smoke coming out of here. 'Cause this is the new addition right here. I don't think we can get to this area right here. Not getting any smoke, guys. This smoke is caused by the wax seal. Toilet's right there. All right, shut it off. So there's a break in that wall, and we're gonna have to continue to open up and figure out where that breach is at.
Stood, block, by code. Not even droppings.
No activity.
That is weird. That's where we're always banging.
I'm not
Right there.
smelling any urine. It's all right, we'll find it. It's just,
Introducing the smoke now.
oh, look at the, wait, shut that door real quick. Oh yeah, look at how much movement we're getting on the spider webs. Tell them to shut it off.
Shut it on.
We're onto something. You see the spider webs moving?
Yeah.
We're close to the pipe.
Do you think that it's on the other side?
We're gonna open this up right here.
Okay.
Enrique's arguing with me saying, guys, don't open up right here. Well, and I'm telling him, see the smile? He knows that I'm right, but we'll see. The spider webs were moving when we were inserting air. So that tells me that we're very close to the breach. I mean, wouldn't you agree? I just think those spider webs should not be blowing the way it is. So the pipe opening should be very, very close. All right, do you see that smile with Enrique? He's cutting, he feels something. I think it's the pipe, but we're gonna open up right now. Get ready with the...
Vacuum.
Hold on. Right there.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Woohoo!
There's two?
Yeah, we got two. That's connected to your vent pipe, so they're coming up through the sewer.
Wait, it's coming out of that pipe
out of
right
that
there?
pipe right there. Yep.
That one.
That one right there.
What is that
So
too?
these are the
That's your
scratchy
plumbing.
noise you guys hear.
Yeah, that's the
Oh, look
scratching.
at that's what it was doing. That like
Yeah.
look at.
Yep.
Holy, so it squeezed through that right there.
Squeeze to that little
That
little
too.
hole. Yeah,
That's connected to the sewer line?
that is correct.
What?
Yep. Whoever did the builders, we see it all the time.
Yeah.
They come out, they cut the pipe, they leave it open, they do their framing, and they're done. And that's how it allows sewer rats to get in. Go slow.
He puts me here.
Ready? We got him.
Oh my god.
The twin home experts did it again. Must have been making babies in there or something.
So I saved your marriage.
Yeah,
Yes,
really.
thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Like I said, you
Yeah.
guys did it again, you know?
Bye-bye. All right, so we went ahead and excluded. We added wire mesh inside there, and then we capped it. Rats can no longer get in Vanessa and Anthony's house. So the great thing about Vanessa and Anthony's situation here is they were contained within that frame. They didn't get up into the attic. They didn't get up into the crawl space, so there wasn't a lot of contamination. So they were just coming in and out for warmth. Start putting everything back. We'll start cleaning up.
Oh god. They look the same.
Like the same size, yeah. I think the other one was a little bit bigger. You still want to open up the kitchen, or the one that I told you to open
We
up?
can do it for fun. No, you were good.
Dave, we need the rat dance.
Jim, I wish I was there on that episode. Great job. This, for sure, deserves the rat dance.
Another successful rat extermination. Job solved. We will see you on the next one.